no, Coconut, not here. Ugh. Whatever. Clean this up. There. Hey, I was behind you. What's taking you so long? Can you not see? Coconut had an accident. Well, meet you up there. Sure, just leave me here. Thanks. There. No, wait, Coconut, no! Ow! Ugh! What a lovely camping trip. Ugh! Oh look, you're back. Ooh. Yeah, back. Well, at least I can still enjoy the campfire. Oh no, don't sit there. There's a marshmallow. Oh, thanks for telling me. I'll be in the tent if you need me. Good night. Yep. Hey, I wonder if she's gonna eat that. Oh, I mean, there's a fierce little animal in there. It's like a beast or something. What's the problem? Oh, I dropped it. Coconut. No, there's this animal in there. It's scary. What? What are you talking about? That's a rabbit. Look, I've had a fear of rabbits since I was 5. I don't know why, but they're just scary. Thanks for watching.